All right, here's number 162, Holly Eva ukulele. Some more of that velvet koa with the white middle. And I've run a T-band stringer down the middle. You can see there, runs right under the Everbird, the hand-carved Everbird bridge. That's some nice curly maple with Brazilian cherry on each side, and that runs up, matches the neck, which we've done this on the back side too. See, that's a nice color, huh? God, these things are looking beautiful, aren't they? And then that T-band runs right up the neck, right up there. And that's Opuma in that the middle on the neck part there. And I've got these beautiful Goto antique looking tuners. Really pretty, huh? Okay. And of course my famous 10-piece neck. And that curl comes right on around the sides. Yeah. Matches up really nice V in the tail there. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that goes all the way around. So yeah, my Everbird, hand-carved Everbird bridge there. A nice wide saddle on there. I think it really adds a lot of sound to the ukulele. I haven't put my logo on there yet, but I'll get to that. Anyway, I'm just gonna tune it up real quick. It's pretty close. Nice and bright, this one, huh? Let's see. I like these 6 strings. Get a nice ring. Almost there. Yeah, these strings are still stretching. Might give them another little stretch after this. Wow, listen to this. Learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Little Tom Petty there. That's from my home state. Yeah, he's from Gainesville. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little presentation. Number 162. If you feel like you need this, it is available. Although I do like it. Can never have enough ukuleles. Hey, thanks so much. Appreciate all your comments. I really enjoy doing this and letting people see what I'm doing here. So it's late at night, so I got to finish up. Thank you. Aloha.